Hello guys, Sanjay here and welcome back to a new video in which we are going to do unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S7 FE. This is the LTE edition, meaning you can insert your SIM card into this. I also have the book cover keyboard slim, which is supported by all these tabs: S7 Plus, S7 Plus 5G, FE and the FE 5G. So basically this is the same cover that I used for the S7 Plus, and the S7 Plus cover was really good. I'll just unbox it first because this is the easiest one to unbox. So that's it, there you go, that's the cover. Quick start guide that we don't need, and there we go, we can start typing. Yes, the keyboard, as I said in my S7 Plus video, was really good. I mean, you can definitely type on this keyboard. It's spacious, there is no trackpad or there is no numpad, but that means that these keys, like the keys which you are going to type on, are big enough to type on. Actually, DHANNJYBHOSALE, enter. Yes, this is working fine. We'll unbox the tab and then we'll attach the keyboard once again. Let's open it up. So we have the tab here. I'm very excited to test out the tab because I wanted something to watch movies on, and S7 FE with its display quality. Let's see how the display quality is. I'm excited about that because this is not an AMOLED screen. This comes with LCD IPS panel, but considering the pricing of the tablet, I'm expecting Samsung to provide a very good display quality. Let's see. Let's start it up. So while the device is booting up, let's see which type of charger we get. So this is the 15-watt charger. Yes, this is the 15-watt charger that you get inside the box itself. And for the price tag, I was definitely expecting the tablet to come with 25-watt fast charging support. At least 25-watt charger should have been there inside the box. SIM ejector tool is also there because there is a SIM card slot on this tablet, which is present over here. Let me just open the SIM card slot first. And as you can see, now this is the SIM card tray which supports micro SD card up to 1 TB, and 1 TB micro SD card will cost you about 25,000 rupees. And on the back side, we have SIM card support. So one SIM card is supported on this one, and it comes with a 750G processor, which is a 5G oriented processor. So in the future, whenever 5G launches, that will be available for the laptop, for the tablet as well. We have the S Pen here. I'll just try to end user agreement, privacy policy, more, next. Okay, yeah, it is going to go next. Before starting the laptop, I would just want to try the keyboard, because that, how do I put it? Okay, so now it's, oh wait, it's a magnetic cover, so the back side attaches magnetically. If I show you, okay, so there you go. If I hold the tablet like this now, I'm not holding the tablet, it doesn't fall off. As you can see, the magnets are pretty strong. That's a good thing. Let me just put it like this. Okay, now I can use it as a laptop, and it's literally a laptop. Now we have updated everything on the tablet, including the software. There was one software update. Now let's start talking about the tablet itself. First of all, let's start with the build quality. And these bezels are, I won't really say these are very huge bezels. Very good when it comes to a tablet of this size, like 12 inches. The bezels are not big by any means. When it comes to the build quality though, the back panel is made out of entire metal. Sound by AKG is written over here, which means obviously the speakers are going. Okay, we'll talk about the speakers in the later part of this video, but as you can see, there are bunch of lines at the back side. Those are there because this is a metal back panel, and when it comes to metal back panels, you need to have those lines in order to transmit data like Wi-Fi and LTE and all that stuff. So when it comes to build quality, definitely a thumbs up from my side. There are these 3 dots at the bottom side of the tablet, which will let you attach the cover or some other accessories, whichever Samsung launches in the future. Now next up, we are going to talk about the software. So this one comes with One UI. Obviously this is a Samsung's tablet, so that is going to come here. But if we go into about tablet and then software information, you can see that this is One UI version 3.1, and this is full One UI. No One UI core, no nothing else. Full One UI version is present here. Android 11 out of the box, and after the update, the latest security patch update that we have is 1 April 2021. We just now updated the tablet few minutes back, and now it's time to talk about the display quality, because this is 12-inch plus form factor, meaning the tablet is actually pretty big and the screen is very huge. Now this is not a high refresh rate screen, this is not an AMOLED screen, this is 60 Hz LCD TFT panel. But surprisingly, as you can see on the screen right now, the video quality, the display quality was surprising. I was actually surprised that TFT LCD panel produced such good colors. The blacks are obviously not going to be as good as blacks on AMOLED screen, because AMOLED screen like are on the next level. But this TFT panel present on this particular tablet definitely surprised me. Was I expecting AMOLED panel on the Tab S7 FE, or would have been happier with an AMOLED panel? 110%. Samsung is known for making displays and AMOLED panels. I was actually surprised that TFT LCD panel was present on the Tab S7 FE. It should have been, considering the price point as well, 47,000 rupees. It should have been AMOLED screen, but then you have Tab S7 and S7 Plus if you want to get that AMOLED screen. But overall, when it comes to using the display to watch YouTube videos and watch Netflix content, I don't really think you are going to have any type of issues, because the display quality and display viewing angles as well is surprisingly good. There is another reason why I'm saying that the display quality is going to be, or the media experience is going to be good, because the speaker quality on this tablet, oh my god, let me just play some. And there you go, the sound quality is very good. I know a lot of times there are brand names such as Harman Kardon or AKG, but when it comes to the final sound performance, it may not be that good. But on the Tab S7 FE, it is surprisingly good. Even the bass quality on the speakers is really good. I mean, obviously you're not going to get that thumping, vibrating bass, because these are inside the device. But if you listen to these or watch movies on the tablet, then the speakers are more than sufficient for all that purpose. And I was extremely happy with the speaker quality on my initial impressions. And I'm using the S Pen, which I have over here. And what is the verdict? I know the latency for the S Pen with Tab S7 FE is higher as compared to Tab S7 Plus, but when it comes to day-to-day usage, I was not able to notice that. If I how do I, yes, if I take a screenshot for screen write, and if I try to write something, okay, screen write, take a screenshot. If I try to write something, let's say Goregaon, then I do not notice that the latency is higher than Tab S7 Plus, because it's in milliseconds literally. And I was, frankly speaking, this is more than enough for me. If I am a painter, if I'm an artist, I can do this actually. This is sun, this is river coming, and I have a home here. Okay, the home is okay. Anyway, this is how I can draw, so that's why I don't draw in the video. But when it comes to drawing on the Tab S7 FE with the S Pen, it is going to be a fun experience. You do not have to worry about the latency. If you see, look at the numbers, that was not an issue for me personally. Even while using the tablet like this, it is not slow by any means. It's just that the latency is little bit higher for the Tab S7 FE. Now the tablet comes with, oh, by the way, you can keep the pen, no, on the sides, no, on this side, no, but you can keep it on the top over here. Wait, I have to use the flat side of the pen, then no, okay, this direction. I can attach the pen on the top or at the bottom, or I can attach it at the back side, as you can see over here. Now let's talk about the battery life. In my initial impressions, obviously I've been using this tablet for just a couple of hours now. I can't really comment on the battery life, but it was on 27%, I guess half an hour back as well. So yeah, and it did not decrease any battery. Plus with the 10,000 mAh battery which is present inside, I feel like the tablet will give me at least 4 to 5 days of battery life with heavy usage, because Tab S7 Plus had very good battery life. And let's see what the battery life is. I will be reviewing this tablet after using it for a month or so. So if you have any questions regarding the tablet, don't forget to ask them in the comment section box below. When it comes to the pricing, now this is something which is very important. 47,000 rupees for the 4GB RAM variant, and that is quite surprising pricing by Samsung, considering it comes with TFT LCD panel and the processor is Snapdragon 750G. I know it is an octa-core processor, it supports 5G and all that stuff, but the performance on this particular tablet is not going to be flagship like, because it is not Snapdragon 888. And when it comes to Snapdragon 888, the performance, as you know, is going to be amazing. 750G is a 7 series processor, and the performance, I was definitely expecting Snapdragon 860. Maybe it would have been so good. I can do this multitasking, open 2 windows at the same time, and while doing this, like having 2 windows open at the same time and using them side by side at the same time, did not show me any type of lag, at least as of my initial impressions. I'll definitely use the tablet more, and then I'll get to know more about how the performance is and all that, so I'll mention that in my full review. Now the tablet does come with a rear facing camera and front facing camera, and let me just show it to you. Can you see it? Okay, wait, let me. This is not the wide ultra wide mode. Now in the ultra wide mode you can take a picture. The camera is present over here, and on the back side there is another camera. This is a video which is being recorded on the Tab S7 FE. I already did a live session for a college where I was talking about YouTube and all that stuff, where I used the Tab S7 FE as my primary device. I used headphones, Type-C headphones, because there is no headphone jack on this tablet, but that's okay. But when it comes to camera quality, this is how the camera looks, and the front facing camera, it's fantastic. I enjoyed using the camera when it comes to the Google Meet session and Zoom sessions as well. No issues whatsoever. So if you are planning to buy this for school and stuff, and for your child with a SIM card and you want to use that, then this is a very good laptop for that. Sorry, not a laptop, this is a tablet. After when I use this with a screen and keyboard, it feels as if it's a laptop. But there is another thing that I want to talk about, is the Wi-Fi variant, which is available for 42,000 rupees. With offers and everything, the pricing may go down even further, so it may come down to 38,000 rupees depending on the offers available at that particular time. If you are someone who already has Wi-Fi at their home, then you do not have to purchase the SIM card variant. You can purchase the Wi-Fi variant and save a lot of money. Then the pricing comes down to below 40,000 rupees, and at that particular price point I can't really see any other Android tablets which I can recommend over this one. So that is how it is. And I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. If you have any questions regarding the Tab S7 FE, do let me know about that in the comment section box below, because I will try to answer them in my full review whenever I post it. And I guess that's it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.